Hey everyone, so I'm going to be showing you how to do this really cute fluffy hairstyle here. So what you're going to begin to do is start from the top and you're going to pull the bottom section of the hair up and over behind the top hair. As you can see here, I'm about to show you how I do it. I do mine kind of backwards because I do normally do my hair on the other side, but this is how I get that fluffy hairstyle. And then you just fluff it out, pull out some strands, but don't pull it out as much. Start at the top also, because if you start at the top, then it'll fluff the bottom parts itself. And then just put into a loop and fluff out any pieces you want for your poof or whatnot, or if you like it really loose, then you can do that as well. I also like to twist mine because it keeps my hair in a lot better. And I only used one bobby pin in this video because that's all I had, but you can secure it a lot more and do it to your preference.